I'm at your house now. I can hear it running. I got it running. It's running. No, you're not gonna lock up. Yeah, I verified you did have oil in it. However, this noise is a little louder than what you explained on the phone. So now you will need rocker arms, all right? However, you may need a cam. I don't know that, but don't worry about that because that's included in my my package deal I have. All right. Yeah, you can drive it, but all you're doing is gonna make it worse. Okay, so you're not gonna do yourself any favors. But the thing about driving like this, you got to make sure oil is in it. You have oil in it, you're just making a ticking noise. Yeah, and this oil cooler is leaking too, so I'm gonna have to add that on too. But for the most part, I need to go in and replace all your rock arms. Same rate, $5. That's a special we have going where we get this taken care of. So, Saturday or Sunday, this weekend. Well, guys, looky, what finally showed up. Parts, guys, the adjuster called, or the insurance company called, or her extended warranty called and say, just do the rock arms, okay? So I got a rock arm, and this camshaft right here, that is the exhaust, Bank One exhaust camshaft. So now this is unique, guys. I guess these insurance companies breaking down with some common sense, all right? They did not just want me to replace the one rock arm that I found, all right? So it depends on the warranty company. Now, if this was a factory warranty, yeah, I only allowed to do just the one that failed. But this aftermarket insurance company said, do all of them, okay? Yes, they're gonna pay me to replace all 24 rock arms. Only one has failed, but it makes sense. It makes economical sense. It makes common sense to go ahead and do them all. These are the updated versions, guys. The revision versions. Yeah, we up to AH, guys. So this is top of the line. I got work to do, man. Let me get started. Guys, it's about that time. I'm about to rip this thing apart, guys. I have some rocker arms to replace. This is the one I told you the extended warranty company approved, all the rocker arms. Well, I want to go over some things with you guys before you start. Anybody that's trying to DIY this job, guys, to my opinion, it's not a DIY job. I had to take back what I said on previous videos because guys was trying to do this job at home and would come up stuck on something and literally had to tow the vehicle from their house to the shop. All right, I don't want you to do that, especially if you don't have the tools. All right, now if you feel bold and bad enough to go for it anyway, then take some of these steps, guys. You see this? This is a marker, guys. This is your friend. All right, you need this. All right, before you rip anything apart, make sure you bring top dead center up, guys, and make sure you mark the relationship between the cam phasers and the timing chain. Remember, I'm about to reuse these cam phasers, so I need to know exactly what they are as it relates to the timing chain. All right, so whatever you do, make sure you mark it so you won't get lost or stuck. And don't start this job unless you have the tools. I don't have the tools, but I don't need my camshaft just got here. My parts just got here. I am now in the operating room getting ready to operate on this vehicle. Yeah, guys, I feel like a doctor. Okay, here's my new camshaft. Remember, guys, you don't replace camshaft just because. Okay, you got a ticking noise. Verify that it's damaged. That's the only reason you should be replacing camshaft. They don't technically wear out. They become damaged from worn out, not even worn out, failed rocker or valve train parts. In this case, this rocker arm. Y'all see this? Y'all hear that? Yeah, the needle bearings fell out of the roller bearing and it's caused this to grind into this camshaft. It's not even bad. However, the adjuster said, replace it. I have no problem with that. Let's get it done. All right, now, getting ready to replace. I'm doing this one at a time, guys. I want y'all to keep in mind. Y'all see this right here? These are powdered metal shavings. Powdered metal shavings that come from worn out rocker arms. Okay, so if you see this, just know something is getting chewed up inside and it's circulating. All right, this is magnetized and it's attracting all of that powder shavings. All right, I got my work to do. Quick, let's talk some more. I'm still doing this 3/6 Pentastar. Now, guys, y'all know me. I'm not a big fan of replacing lifters or lash adjusters or whatever y'all call them. Okay, because they never, in my opinion, keep it in mind, I can only speak for me. In my opinion, they never the cause of the ticking. All right, so I never waste my customer money on them. However, this insurance company, it didn't think so either. This extended warranty company, they didn't give me no lifters. All right. However, whichever rock arm failed, guys, I always go in with a new. I had a problem over here on 135 cylinder 5. This one right here was the one that failed. I always take that one out and replace that one anyway, guys. I don't know, I just had to give myself a peace of mind. But no, these never fail. In my opinion, I can only speak for me. So if y'all wasting money on lash adjusters and lifters, y'all just doing exactly that. But if it gives you a peace of mind, replace them. I'm not telling you not to, I'm just telling you I don't. All right, so but the one that failed is getting a new lifter, guys. All right, let me finish putting this thing back together. I got a lot of work to do. Alrighty, guys, real quick. I'm still in the operating room doing all the rock arms on this Pentastar 346 engine. This is a Caravan, guys. The insurance extended warranty company said, do them all. All right, guys. Now, I tend to go above and beyond when I got one of these engines apart. Y'all see that? Oil galley plug. Yes, guys. This is a VVT style engine, guys. In the event of loss of oil or even loss of oil pressure, all right, will cause this engine to run like crap. All right, this is a known issue. If you in this engine for anything such as rocker arms or even valve cover gasket, try to find a way to get these tight. Now, I go a step farther. I take these out. This was loose. Even this one is loose. I grabbed my 13mm wrench, put it down there, it just turned. I'm going to take this, guys. Y'all see this? This is Loctite. I'm going to clean this up. I got a whole video on this. I'm going to card in the middle of this video. Just click that link and watch it. I'm going to Loctite this up and put it back in now. Hopefully it won't bag back out. But like I say, if these bolts are loose and you lose oil pressure, you're going to run like crap, man. Stay tuned. Hey guys, real quick, I'm still in the operating room getting ready to assemble this front cylinder head valve train system. Yes, I wound up replacing all 24 rock arms. And I know somebody in the comment going to ask me this, how you going to be able to put that back on without the tools? Well, I do in fact need the tools for the tensioner, guys. The tensioner housing, I will have to open that tensioner housing up so I'm able to compress that plunger back into its housing, guys. All right, look at some of this footage here. What I'm doing is first I take the tool and install it into the tensioner and pull up on it. That way the plunger can drive itself inward. Once you get it in, guys, you use this tool right here in order to insert it in the hole. Once in the hole, the plunger is now in the hole. Now I got plenty of room to put my phasers on. You see that timing chain guide? Now I got a lot of play. I can put the timing chain on the cam phaser once I assemble the cam. Yes, you got to have the tool for that. Now any other tools, I don't use that often, but I gotta have this tool right here. All right, stay tuned for more. I'm still in the operating room repairing this ticking noise on this 3.6 Pentastar. Yes, the insurance adjuster aftermarket extended warranty approved me 24 rocker arms, and I have them on here. Now, guys, I'm giving out tips. All right, I already talked about all this. If you missed some of those tips, you might need to go back to my channel and watch all those tips. This is the last tips before I finally put this together and wrap it up. All right, because I'm running out of time. Y'all see this? This is called engine assembly lube, guys. Never, ever put a camshaft on dry. Okay, I do not do that, and I highly suggest you not do that. In fact, I'm almost out. All right, so we're gonna put, you can use engine oil if you don't have this stuff, just as long as you lose something. You don't want to put it on dry. All right, I normally put a little bit on all those journals right there, and then I go in with the camshaft, and I put some on the top end as well. Okay, I put some on here, and then I install the caps. Make sure you line the caps up the way they go back on. Guys, I got a lot more work to do. I'm just giving out tips. Y'all stay tuned for more. Listen to that. Don't she purr like a kitten? Yes. Now, let me pull up some old footage. Y'all hear this? The infamous Pentastar tick. All right, that's what it used to sound like before I replaced all 24 rock arms. Now, remember, guys, I only had one that had failed. The aftermarket insurance warranty extension company said to replace them all 24, and I had this one exhaust camshaft on bank 1. I think the one right here, this cam load right here, it wasn't bad, guys. However, if you catch this stuff early enough, you can save $300 on camshaft. At least that's what I'm thinking these camshaft cost. I did end up replacing this one because they say replace the cam as well as all the rock arms. I was a little shocked. They didn't say nothing about no lifters. I'm no big fan of wasting money on lifters myself. I've never seen one go bad or cause the ticking. So now I'm about to go steam clean it, go test drive it, and that's a wrap, guys. It didn't deliver. Yeah, I steam clean all this. It's gonna run like new. It might as well look like new.